Hi everyone, so today I'm going to do an unboxing of a knee compression sleeve that I got on Amazon. So I used to play basketball a lot in college, so I definitely went through a lot of compression sleeves. So I was very excited to get a new one just to try it out. It looks like the brand here is Ding Feng. And just looking at it firsthand, it's got a nice mesh material, so you know it's going to be breathable. It's also it's got some stability here in the sides that I can already feel in both sides right here, which is really good when you're running around playing basketball. You know, you're going to want some stability in your sides here. And then this feels like there's a gel pad for your knee. As well as one over here as well. If we look inside, we can see that there's a silicone gel right here, so that's going to help keep the sleeve in place when you're actually running around with it or walking around with it. And the other side's got some nice elasticity over here. So first impressions, it looks really good that it's got the mesh material, so you know you're going to get some breathability. You're not going to be struggling with it being too hot wearing this or sweating too much while you're wearing this. And then it's also got the stability on both sides of it, which is awesome, as well as the gel pad. That's gonna be very helpful in keeping your knee in place. So let's try this on and see how it looks. All right, so let's go ahead and put this sleeve on, see how it looks. You're gonna wanna put the wider end up, the one that has the silicone on it, because that's obviously the wider end to your thigh. And man, that feels great. Actually, I always have some knee pain, like whether I'm doing anything or not, and definitely provides great stability. And this gel pad feels really good. It's holding my whole kneecap in, which feels great. It doesn't look like it's slipping at all. So let's test it out, just kind of standing up. Okay, so while standing up, it is keeping in place. It's not sliding at all as I bend forward. Yeah, it's staying in my kneecap. Do some squats. Yep, it does a great job keeping in place. So overall, I really like it. I love the stability here, love the gel pad, love that it's staying in place. I can definitely feel that it is breathable, so I'm not going to overheat wearing this while playing basketball or anything, running around. You know, if you have any like arthritis or any knee pain or joint pain, I think this will definitely help you out. My only regret actually is I wish I just got one for my other knee too, because it feels really great and I'm very happy with it. All right, well, thank you so much for watching.